Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to download Linux Manjaro ISO. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Manjaro Linux is a free and open-source Linux distribution based on Arch Linux, with a focus on user-friendliness and accessibility. It comes with 3 official desktop environments to choose from: KDE Plasma, GNOME, and Xfce. It uses a rolling release update model, and Pacman as its package manager. There are also community images that come with Cinnamon as the desktop environment, and i3 and Xfce as window managers for advanced users. To download Manjaro, open your preferred browser and search for Manjaro. Proceed to the official Manjaro website. Now click on Download, and choose from the official images or the community images. And click on Download. You can also click on More to choose the minimal or full version of the image. A window will open, allowing you to choose where to save the downloaded file. You also have the option to edit the file name if desired. Finally, click on Save, and the Manjaro ISO file will begin downloading. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.